So in this video, we are going to learn how to set up Rank Math SEO plugin, beginner's guide. So guys, if you're new here, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to build an online brand. So please consider subscribing. And so let's begin. And also, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So let's begin. So today I'm going to teach you how to set up Rank Math SEO plugin. Currently, I'm using Bluehost. This is one of the best web hosting. I have a 70% discount. The link is down below. The best thing about this is it's really fast and it's really easy to go to WordPress. So if you could see, I have two sites. I'm just going to log into my WordPress website, and logging in is very easy. So first things first, it's a brand new website. I created a sample website just to showcase how to create a website video. So this is it. Now I'm going to install Rank Math. All you have to do is click on add new, go to your dashboard, plugins, add new, just type rank. As you could see, it has a lot of downloads, and install now. So once it's installed, click on activate. So currently I don't have a Rank Math account, so I'm gonna skip this for now. So let's begin. First thing is start wizard. Just click over here. For me, it's gonna be a personal blog. Okay, logo for Google. So basically, guys, I've created a video on how to create a logo for free. So if you could see, you can create a logo in 1 minute. So I upload my logo, default social share image. So basically what does this mean is if you're sharing an image to Facebook or Twitter, this would be the default image if the post or the page does not have an image. So you need to upload the default image. So I'm just gonna add my logo, and then I'm just gonna add my default image. So I think so this one looks good. I'm gonna add this one, and then save and continue. Now this is really important. So all you have to do is just click over here, just click your Gmail. You need to have a Gmail account, and then just allow, and just copy this thing and paste it, so it will authorize. And then I have a lot of websites, so I'm going to select my website, yavarkhan.com, but I've already done that, so I'm going to skip this step. So I have a lot of websites, so I'm going to select Yavar Khan. So you could see this is very easy to verify your website with Google. So I'm going to skip this step because I've already done it. So skip this step. So once you're in your sitemap, always make sure to select on. Everything is perfect. Just save and continue, and then leave this as it is. Save and continue. And guys, congratulations, you have already set up Rank Math SEO. Now I'm going to show you some important settings, but this is how you set up Rank Math. It's very easy, it's very simple. And let's go to some advanced settings. So I would like to switch this on, 404 monitor and redirection. So basically I love these features. Basically what it does is, so let's say you delete your post, or there's some error on your post, or a visitor is visiting your website and he's getting a 404 error. So you could go to this monitor and then check the error, and then you could do a redirection. For me, this helped a lot because I deleted a lot of posts, and then I realized that people were still visiting that page. So I made sure to redirect them to the home page or to the relevant category. So I'm going to switch on this and this and save and continue. Switch this on. So the rich snippet is basically whenever you do a review, like on a mobile phone, or you do a recipe, you could add the rich snippet. But for me, my blog is not about reviewing or which is the best. I just usually tend to turn it off. If you are a review website, make sure to turn it on, but I'm not going to do it. Save and continue. So here we are on the dashboard. So now I'm going to tell you the 404 settings. So let's go back again to dashboard. Let's go step by step. So I'm going to explain you each and everything. So currently first we'll go to general settings. Strip the category base. I don't do this. Make sure this is off, because usually what it does is you create a category. Let's say my website is all about yoga, right? So if there's a category to it, let's say basic yoga / my post name, so it would delete my category. So don't do that. Leave this as it is. Let's go to images. I would suggest missing alt images, suggest that you turn it off. Leave this as it is. So basically what does this mean is, if I'm into this post, so you need to make sure so if you're adding an image, so see the alt text is missing. Okay, so what it does is if you turn it on, it will automatically add, but I make sure that, you know, I just write yoga pose. Make sure it is filled in with your keywords, so it will help you rank in Google. And I would also say yoga pose because I just downloaded this from the internet, but make sure you say yoga pose and set featured image and update. Breadcrumbs, leave this as it is. Webmaster Tool, you need to verify your website with Google, which I had already done it, but then I didn't continue the step. It's very easy. Just copy this thing. Okay, copy this thing. You see this one is after this one. Copy this thing, paste it over here, and you can verify your website with Google. You could do the rest as well, but for me this is really important. Okay, you need to do this thing. You don't have to do anything about this, the robot text. Leave this as it is. Others, leave this as it is. Keep this simple. Search console. So basically again you need to get the authorization code. Just click over here. I'm not gonna do this, but just click over here to your Gmail account, verify, allow. Just copy this thing over here and you can get authorized. Leave this as it is. Now let's go to title and metas. Okay, global meta, this separator. So basically this separator, always keep this like this. Okay, choose the first option. Leave this as it is. So remember the image we uploaded, the basic image if we in the beginning. So this is the image which will come here. Twitter as well, if the post doesn't have an image. Local SEO, if you're an organization you can put that. My logo. Put your Facebook page URL. Facebook, I don't tend to do this. I can make another video for this if you want. If you want this Facebook authorship and Facebook admin and Facebook app, please put the comment in the description so I can make a video. So your Twitter URL, everything, Instagram, MySpace, but no one uses MySpace. So, but I would suggest Facebook page URL is really important, Twitter and Instagram. So this is your homepage title. You could edit the homepage title over here, or the best thing what I do is I go to settings, general. I try to put my title over here. So you see yoga, you can see my title is showing on this page. So I tend to edit the title over here. You need to, what you could do is you could write your same title over here. So learn yoga the easy way. So very easy. Yoga, just my website name is just yoga. You can add that thumbnail. For me, I'm going to use this thumbnail as well. Okay, authors. I'm going to leave this as it is. Leave this as it is. Leave this as it is. Even for the pages, leave this as it is. Even for the media and categories as well. Leave this as it is as well. Let's go to sitemap setting. Yeah. So sitemap is really important. So this is your sitemap. You need to check. How do you add your sitemap to Google Site Console? Is very easy. Just type Google Search Console. This is the first link. Click over here. Okay, start now. You need to have a Gmail ID. Okay, so basically what does sitemap do is this is how Google spiders indexes your website. So all you have to do is come over here. So I'm going to select Yavar Khan. I'm going to click on sitemaps and just submit your sitemap. So as you could see, sitemap underscore index.xml, just paste it over here, submit, and as you could see, it's a success. Okay, so this is how the Google Search Console is. Now that's done. This is really important, guys. You need to do this. This will help you rank on Google. Okay, that's it. Let's come to 404 monitor. So it's really easy. So for example, someone comes to my website and he lands to some weird page which is not available. So see, nothing is found. So if I refresh it right now, so see, as you could see over here, someone has come to this page and I need to redirect it. So I can click redirect, and then I could redirect it to my home page, which is the yoga, this page. You can just paste it over here, and it's a permanent redirect. Add redirection. Okay, so what if I copy it and do it again? So see, it's redirecting to the home page. So this is the best feature. Okay, again, if you check Yoast SEO or if you check all-in-one SEO plugin, they don't provide this. For them it's an advanced feature, but for RankMath it's free. So this is really good. Now let's get back to Search Console, the next option. So I need to authorize it, so I've not done that. So let's get to SEO analysis. I need to connect it, which I've not done that as well. But this is how it is, guys, and that's it. And please join their Facebook page, which is really good. Everything is in there, and also the most important thing, how to write a post so you could rank #1 in Google. So guys, it's really easy. Okay, so I'll give you one amazing trick. So you're doing yoga for beginners, the best thing is take this one. You need to copy your competitors, the 10 most important yoga poses for beginners. I'm going to write 20 more yoga poses for beginners. For me, this is going to be my focused keyword, yoga poses for beginners. Go back again. Imagine how much time is it shared. So you just need to copy it. So you can just copy the whole thing. I'm not saying you need to copy everything, just paraphrasing it. Okay, just paste it over here. So this is really important. So the snippet over here, click over here. So I'm going to do 20 most important. Okay. I think so. It's big. Just go back. That's it. Okay, and then just fill out your information. Make sure you add a category. Okay, so see, half the things I've just wrote my title, booyah, and that's it. And then fill in your information. Make sure you for a person, imagine if I compare 10 most important yoga poses versus 20 most important yoga poses, I would go to the 20 most yoga poses. But make sure you need to paraphrase, write in your own words, use your own images. Okay, so there's this website called Unsplash. Okay, so they provide you free images. So if you just type yoga, you can use this on your website. Okay, you see there are a lot of free images and high quality, free to use. You could just download it and you could just, you know, copy this thing and just credit the author. But they have amazing images. And that's it, guys. This is how you set up RankMath SEO. And if you really like the video, please consider subscribing. The link is down below, and also the free tutorial I told you. So I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. So the link is down below, and thank you for watching, and I would see you in the next video.